news, where we have a special new product for you.
Have you ever been tired of walking your dog?
Come back here! I told you to stay out in the lawn!
Well, here's something to knock your nerves off.
Huh? The revolutionary technologically advanced nylon dog strapper can be just yours! What's that?
This new product designed by Danco takes care of your dog while you enjoy a nice relaxing stroll across the park.
Wow! How much? Why, that's the best part! It comes into 6 easy payments of $19.99! That's 6 easy payments of $19.99!
That's great! This product can be used for any occasion. Going to work, getting lunch, even going to sleep and studying AP World History.
But can it be used for all types of dogs? It can be used on any type of dog, a Pomeranian, a pug, a beagle, a German shepherd, even your girlfriend! Here's some testimonials from some well-known dog-loving celebrities.
I love this product. It's done so much for my dog and I.
The amazing dog strapper comes in 4 different sizes. Chihuahua size for all you kitties out there. The Beagle size for all those teens at home. Great Dane size for all those adults out there. And even human size so you can put it on your dog.
So order this amazing new product now and get one for free.
Do what's right and call to buy the amazing dog strapper, dear.
All you need to do is call 555-6142. That's 555-6142.
Call now. And now back to your regular programming.